everything about the look, the highlights, the eyes, the lips. I'm gonna take mad pictures. So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Petra Mume, and today I'll be doing a quick makeup tutorial for you guys. Firstly, I want to do foundation as usual. Just gonna go in with my foundation. So I got a lot of question on my previous video, the shaving video, bumps video rather. Got one question which was really interesting. You can shave after using a Vit cream. Vit cream is a hair remover. You don't need to shave anymore. Just use it and that's it. Just apply it. That's it. You can rub a moisturizer afterwards. But you don't need to shave with Vit cream, please. Then someone also asked if it was okay to use the epiderm on bumps on your neck. Yes, it is, but I always try as much as possible to avoid using tubes on my face because your face is very sensitive. So when using it, tread with caution. Just use on those parts that really needs treatment, and do not use on your face. Do not use on your face, please. Do not use on your face. I'm done with my foundation. I'm going to use my concealer in my skin, my favorite concealer to use. So I'm just going to put this here. I really don't know the kind of look to do today. I just feel really sexy today. So now my setting spray is dried up. Now you're going to use your beauty blender. You're just going to press it in, like press the product in. That is how you lock your foundation in and it doesn't move at all. So now I'm just going to press it in. You can use a brush and you can use a beauty blender like I am using right now. Honestly, if you do this, let me know in the comment section and tell me what you think. Now we're going to continue. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to be highlighting and I'm going to be contouring my face. And as usual, I'm going to use this Beauty Bakery to highlight my face. Powder palettes. See how that looks. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use this dark shade. Zaran powder. I'm gonna use a smaller brush. I'm just gonna go like so. I'm sorry guys, the light is gone, so it's just gonna be this funny little ring light that is powered with my power bank and natural lighting. I don't know if it's bright. Yeah, it's okay. It's not bad. Wow. The lightings of this room is like so. So guys, the gen is back on, but I'm not gonna turn on the lights. I'm just gonna leave it like this because I'm just digging how it looks like right now. So I'm gonna do my eyebrow next. I'm gonna be using the Joms brow pencil. What just happened? I think the light is gone. Okay. Apparently the gen doesn't want to come on, so I'm gonna finish this video without the gen. I'm sweating already, so most of the things I'm gonna be doing offline, off camera also. So let me just turn this off and continue. So I've done my brows and I've done my highlighter. What I'm going to do is eyeshadow. As it is right now, I want to rush this look because I do not want to. This is what it means being a YouTuber in Nigeria. Why do they even have to take the lights? Like, anyway, so as usual, I'm gonna use my eyeshadow base. I'm just gonna use my hands to take this round. I'm a little bit of them. Put this at the edge, at the end of my. I'm sweating. Here, Jesus. Let me turn it on. So I actually like this thing looking the way it is right now. Yeah. But I feel like using this shade and this one somewhere. I just feel like putting this or this somewhere. I'm taking the light blue. And I'm just gonna put it. Wow, I like this color. Jesus Christ. The fan has gone off. They planned me today. I was planned. I'm sorry if you see me sweating. Please understand this is the country that we are in. Just be doing it, take it, go. So I'm going to do this on camera and I'm going to do the other eyes off camera. So I want to put in this beginning part. I feel like using yellow. I'm in love with colors like this and I'm in love with matte colors. I feel like using, there's white here. I can use white. I can try to use white and I can try to use yellow. Let's use. I'm going with white. If it's not good, I'll just put a color on top. I'll put the white here. So excuse me guys, I'm going to do this high off camera. I'll see you later. So I'm going to put this white. So that's for my eyeshadow. Hold on, let me wear my lashes. So guys, stupid NEPA, they finally brought the lights, but it didn't spoil light that shackle. Now, thank God they didn't spoil. Like I said, if you use that setting spray, there's no way your makeup is gonna cake or crack or break. Thank God this video is like a proof. So I'm gonna do my blush. I'm gonna use this very pink, beautiful shade here, and take it to the side of my brows. So annoying when you're filming. The NEPA just is like it's been long I used this, my highlighter palette, the Revolution highlighter palette. I used to love this shade like a lot. It's been so long I touched this palette, so I'm gonna use this shade as usual. I'm gonna take it. There's no way you pack this highlights that it will look cakey or it will look more kind on your face. I love how it comes out. It just comes out looking sweet. So I have this available at the store in case you want to get one for yourself. I'm going to use my hand. I'm going to use this pinky here. Woo. And I'm going to use the hand to like construct the space. The highlighter just at the tip of the nose here, and put your highlighter here. You're good. Trust me. What I'm going to do is my lipstick. I'm going to actually do a glossy lip, so I'm just going to use this to highlight first. I totally love this lipstick. There's no day I use it that doesn't look nice on me. I'm going to use this right here. Just a little though. So right now I'm going to use all 3 shades of this Joms lip glosses, and seriously you're going to love it. I'm first going to use this for the tip of my that's for the tip, and this is Dreams. So I'm going to use Bossy, the pink one. I'm going to use Bossy. So fine. And the last one I'm gonna use is this one. So just watch how it's gonna change this whole look. Can you see that? Can you see this look? I'm obsessed with these 3 lip glosses, guys. Like, the 3 of them is a must-have. Like, seriously, it's a lip for me, guys. It's a lip for me. Look at this. Oh. Oof. So yeah, guys, I'm done with this makeup look. And I am totally obsessed with everything about the look. The highlights is so on point. The lips. I want to kiss myself. Is that possible? Like, the lips are so yum, and the eyes, you know. So I love everything about this look. Tell me what you think about this makeup look, and if you're gonna create it, please do not forget to tag me. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, like, share, do all of that, please. So thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.